What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Watch, and the title of the video is Street Level Drug Dealer Makes Rookie Mistake While Transporting His Products. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Pull over in the gas station parking lot.
Good boy, he ready to work. That dog
Pull
is ready
over
to work.
in the gas station parking lot. Central 808 traffic stop. Marathon gas station parking lot. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Oh, you stopped me?
Yeah, I stopped you.
What?
Because of that turn you did. Give me your driver's license and your insurance.
Okay, I got it. I'm finna get some gas, that's all.
Or you know what, step out of the car. Go ahead, step out of the car. Put your hands on the car.
I just got off work.
Okay.
I just got off work.
Okay, guys. You got your driver's license insurance? Why are you acting nervous?
Because I ain't know you stopped me.
Well, why did you turn in front of everybody?
I turned to get some gas.
Alright, man. Let me get your insurance. When's the last time you smoked marijuana?
I don't smoke.
Okay.
Smoke
You don't smell that?
I don't smoke or drink.
So where's that weed coming from?
I don't know. I don't smoke or drink, sir. I don't smoke or drink. Just got off work. I work for people gas. I can't smoke or drink. I don't smoke or drink. So I'm acting nervous, right? I got it.
Hey, is this your car? Is this your car? Is that weed coming out of your car?
I don't have no weed, sir.
Okay, open the door.
Sir, I don't have no. This not my car, sir.
Whose car is it?
This is my homie car. Hold on, I'm finna call him. That's not weed coming out my car.
There's a bag of weed on the front seat right there.
Sir, that's not my car, man.
Let me get your ID.
I don't have no ID.
Let me get your ID.
Sir, I don't have.
Hold on. You didn't even stop him for. Come on, man. Nah, that's not. I ain't fucking with this. You on this traffic stop and you just left that traffic stop to come over here, and this was a guy that was just going to the store. No. What the hell?
Let me get your ID.
Oh, he out.
Black
he
pants,
out.
red shirt, running eastbound.
Oh, he out.
He's holding his waistband, running eastbound Southwest Highway. Stop! Stop! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased!
There he is. He's westbound on Columbus, 4800 block. He's still holding his waistband.
Oh, that got fast.
Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands right now! Give him your fucking hand!
You're gonna get tased by a guy.
Central 633, we got one detained.
One detained, 1728 hours.
Hey Bob, is that white car involved in some of your squad?
No, that should be Apollo.
Stand up.
Or you want to talk to me? Take my introduction.
He's got a gun. It's in his waistband.
Yeah, this guy's got a fucking gun on him.
It's falling down.
What?
It's falling down here.
I got it.
Hey, whoever's at that gas station, there was a female black that ran into the store. I didn't see her come out of the car. I don't know why she's running.
Stop fucking moving!
I couldn't tell.
I got scissors too.
She ran across.
I got it.
my side.
Shut the fuck up! I got it.
Central 6 3.
That's 633. There's 2 for cover.
What's wrong with that officer, bro? He yelling at his own coworkers. Like, this guy, yo, I ain't fucking with this officer. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't fucking with him. Good bust, but it was this guy wasn't even doing nothing, bro. Like, yeah, the aftermath was good, but you was on a whole nother traffic stop, and then this guy just coming out, he was just getting gas, and he coming out the store, and he just gets what? Questioned and looked at. Like, come on, bro. That wasn't. This guy got an attitude problem. Listen to this. Listen to how he talked to his coworkers. So if he talked to his coworkers like this, you know he doing people dirty on the street.
There's 2.
He ran across.
I got it. Shut the f up. I got it.
Central 6 3.
That's 633. There's 2 for cover.
Look, he look like he got the bust of the century.
10-4. There's 0 cover.
Look at him.
1329.
Never seen an extendo clip before. Look at him. Nah.
Yeah, he's got narcotics all over the fucking car.
393 Central. Another domestic. That 9329 major holding.
Bravo. Busted a century.
There was about 7 ounces of weed packaged in 13 individual bags, 16 bars of Xanax, and 5 grams of shrooms found in the center console of the vehicle. About another 1/4 ounce of weed was located in plain view on the passenger's seat. Overall, the amount of weed seized weighed in at 201 grams.
Look at all this shit.
Have you put him in this car yet?
He's got the key and he was going into the car.
I mean, is there video? If there's video, you're gonna want it now.
Yeah, but what's the reason for the stop though? Like, that was...
A 200-count box of sandwich bags was located. Nothing else of evidentiary value was found in the trunk.
Yeah, but what about the first guy that you stopped? You didn't even stop this guy, bro. What's the reason for the stop? I ain't like this. I ain't like this. I ain't like this. Yeah, guy caught the bust of the fucking century. Bravo. Congratulations, bro. But you stopped him for no reason, though. Like, that's not even who you pulled over. You pulled over the other guy, and then you tried to blame the weed smell on this guy. Nah, he ain't got an attitude problem. He get a 2, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's unsatisfied. Like, that's, yeah, you get a 2 out of 5, bro.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.